I sat down with Your Insurance Agency, the sponsors of this next segment, to discuss why healthcare reviews are vital for all ages. It's that time of year again. We are back at Your Insurance Agency. Thanks for having us, Chris. Now, usually when we talk about health insurance, you think older adults, but really it's vital for all ages, right?
It's important for all ages because we don't know when life's going to happen,
right.
And that's why open enrollment is so important to pay attention to.
Now, why is open enrollment annual?
For several reasons, but one is that's when plans change, deductibles, doctors, out-of-pocket, premiums, and so on. But also, that is the most important time of the year to enroll, because if you don't enroll, you lose the opportunity to get insurance for the rest of the year, and we don't know what's going to happen.
That's so true. Now, if you like your current plan, why is it still important to seek coverage?
Well, things have changed. There's tax credits, could change. It could be benefits change, plans change, new carriers come in the market. You need to revisit. You have to look at your income because it could be resources out there to help get more lower costs and benefits, but also get more help paying for premiums. You just don't know. And so it's very important to do revisits your policies every year.
And revisiting policies every year, that's why you guys are here to help us do that. What's something that people should be prepared for? What should they bring when they come to see you?
You know, bring your taxes, your tax forms, so we can look at that. We can bring your driver's license, your IDs, your doctors, your medications, all those things that will help us get you the best plan that's suitable to your needs. There's many resources to get insurance. We all know there's the internet. We all know there's places you can call 1-800 numbers. You got to realize, though, a lot of those places are just selling one product or one carrier, and now you're very limited. When you're working with a broker such as us, we represent many plans, many carriers, so we can then help you discover what's best for you.
Now, what are some things people should consider when choosing their plan?
So, some of the concerns we run into, or people need to be concerned about, is as we become retirees, what am I going to do? I'm going to stay here in Nevada, or do I want to travel? So we need a plan that's going to be portable if we want to travel. Or if you have children that are getting ready to go to college, do we have a plan that's going to work in Nevada, and is it going to work where they're going to school? So those are a couple things to consider. But also, what other benefits you're looking for, such as dental, hearing, vision, gym memberships, all those other things that may be important that you need to address.
Another thing to consider are penalties and consequences, right?
Correct. So one of the things that you need to do annually is to do a checkup, because if you don't do things at the right time, there are certain ages in life that we hit certain benchmarks where you cannot continue your current plan. And if you keep your current plan, you could have consequences, possibly paying back tax credits you weren't entitled to, or penalties that you would have to pay for the rest of your life by staying on the wrong plan.
Thank you, Your Insurance Agency, for sponsoring that segment. You can find them at the Meadows Mall. For more, just call 702-425-5500 or visit yianv.com.